At Cobham Mission Systems here in Wimborne, we are responsible for the design and the manufacture of original equipment. We make air-to-air refuelling pods and probes and drogues and equipment that we fit on a wide spectrum of aircraft platforms for our customers.
We're a high-tech engineering company. We take problems that our customers give us and our requirements that our customers give us, and we have to find solutions for them.
Air-to-air refuelling's been around for a long time. A lot of people ask me, why is it so difficult? Well, you're trying to bring two aircraft together, make them contact each other, and then pass 650 gallons of fuel between the two. It's really, really difficult engineering challenge to do that safely and reliably.
Our customers are very varied. We work with primes, we work with military government agencies, we work with air forces around the world, we work with third parties.
The site here in Wimborne is kind of split into two entities. So there's the main office block, and we've got a large site where the pods and our equipment are manufactured. The designers are able to then wander next door and actually see things being built live. So that ability to see your product and understand your input to the design and to the final build is really, really good.
The departments very much cross-link as well, so you're not just involved in your department, it's normally done by integrated project teams instead, which means that you can be involved with commercial, finance, projects and engineering all at the same time.
Very recently, within the last year, we've reorganised and we have structured ourselves into platform teams. And those are all cross-functional, so I work inside a much larger team that has engineering members, safety, airworthiness, QA and quality assurance, the design team, so it's very much focused around the delivery of products and services to the customer. Cobham is a good fit for ex-services personnel because it uses your breadth of experience. I am kind of very much not a specialist. I have a breadth of experience over operations and maintenance and design and structural repair, and the role that I'm now in allows me to use all those skill sets here at Cobham.
It's a brilliant environment. The team I work with are fantastic. Everybody works really hard, everybody's got a real good sense of humour and everybody pulls together.
The people we hire are 100% of the business. What they do results in what we get as an output, so getting those individuals who can really create a team culture and motivate people and communicate on the right levels and build relationships are absolutely the type of people we're trying to hire.
I've been with Cobham in total for 3.5 years. It's my fourth role. That certainly suits what I'm used to being ex-Navy, where you change over fairly frequently, you learn a new job, you add value, then you move on. And that variety has been really key for me.
We're going through a lot of change, and I always think when a business is trying to innovate and grow and become better, you can develop personally, so there's lots of learning curves, there's lots of new skills to learn, there's lots of failures to learn from, because we're trying to improve and we're trying to do things we've sometimes not done or we have done and we're trying to do them better. So personally as individuals there are lots of opportunities to grow.
Cobham's been very good for me to progress. I joined as an engineer, straight as a design engineer into a systems engineering role, so I'm now an engineering manager, so the opportunities to progress within the company are excellent. I could see myself staying here for years to come.
Quite a few events at Cobham. We have summer barbecues, firework displays at the social club. We have running clubs, charity committees and fundraisers. Lots of social events and interaction with other team members, so it's a very social environment.
There's very much a view that aerospace is only up in the Midlands or in Bristol. Actually, the best of both worlds is on the south coast. You've got the sunshine, you've got the beaches. Where else is there that's a good place to bring up a young family?
Wimborne's quite a quaint village, which I think is really nice. It's becoming very up and coming. We've got bespoke cafes, we have a lot of good food, gastropubs and things, and we also have quite a few hubs as well. On numerous occasions there'll be invites for teams to go out for drinks if they're celebrating quite a big milestone or something. It's quite local for everyone and it's got a nice community feel about it. It's just a beautiful place to live, really.
People can put their hand up and ask questions. The doors are always open to our seniors. There's the helplines that can be anonymous for ethics, so those processes are in place to ensure that everybody has a real say in what happens around here.
There are lots of benefits at Wimborne. One of the biggest ones is flexi time. It allows us to manage our work-life balance and focus on things at home as well as at work.
The remuneration package is very good and very competitive to the rest of the aerospace market. The pension is very generous and the holiday entitlement is good as well.
It's such a dynamic environment. It is so different. Every day you come in, you know what you should be doing, and then someone throws something completely different at you and it's a problem to go and solve.
I've come in with very little knowledge about different departments, and the people who I work with are really friendly. It makes me feel really confident, so I can actually go up and ask people questions when I don't know things, and they're always really willing to help me out where I need to and when I need to. I would really recommend working here. It's been a really positive experience I've had over the past few years, and I can't wait for whatever's coming in the future.